Do you want to know what it takes to produce my signature Real Rock drums? How deep do you want to go? Step 1. I always sound check the drums myself and tune them. I'm talking about this because most people don't even think about it, but it makes a huge difference to the final sound. Use this tuning app. Not expensive. The difference between duh and do. Here are my tunings. Step 2. Miking. Always mic up the top skin and the bottom skin. That's why I tuned them. 3. Make sure the drummer hits the drums really hard in the center and even weight. Never forget, the sauce is king. Bad sauce makes bad spaghetti. See you in part 2. Oh yeah, we're going deep. Follow me in my videos and I'll show you just how thorough you have to be top. Part 2, phasing. This is what in phase and out of phase sounds like and how crap it can sound. Every DAW has some plugin that has phase invert. You need to find it and click it on and click it off. Just look for this symbol. Here it is in Pro Tools. Here it is in Ableton. Here it is in Cubase. Any drum with 2 mics on it, you have to do this, and then it's time to mix.